Easy and quick pancakes recipe. This quick and easy pancake recipe puts the store-bought stuff to shame. Quick pancake ingredients. A. 1 cup all-purpose flour, spooned and leveled. B. 2 tablespoons sugar. C. 2 teaspoons baking powder. D. 1/2 teaspoon salt. E. 1 cup milk. F. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted or vegetable oil. G. 1 large egg. H. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. I. Assorted toppings such as butter, maple syrup, confectioner's sugar, honey, jams, preserves, sweetened whipped cream, or chocolate syrup. Directions. 1. Mix dry ingredients. In a small bowl, whisk together flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Set aside. 2. Mix wet ingredients. In a medium bowl, whisk together milk, butter or oil, and egg. 3. Combine wet and dry ingredients. Add dry ingredients to milk mixture. Whisk until just moistened. Do not overmix. A few small lumps are fine. 4. Heat an oil skillet or griddle. Heat a large skillet, nonstick or cast iron, or griddle over medium. Fold a sheet of paper towel in half and moisten with oil. Carefully rub skillet with oiled paper towel. 5. Spoon batter onto skillet or griddle. For each pancake, spoon 2 to 3 tablespoons of batter onto skillet, using the back of the spoon to spread batter into a round. You should be able to fit 2 to 3 in a large skillet. 6. Cook first side. Cook until surface of pancakes have some bubbles and a few have burst, 1 to 2 minutes. 7. Flip pancakes. Flip carefully with a thin spatula and cook until browned on the underside, 1 to 2 minutes more. 8. Serve immediately or keep warm in oven. Transfer to a baking sheet or platter. Cover loosely with aluminum foil and keep warm in oven. Continue with more oil and remaining batter. You'll have 12 to 15 pancakes. Serve warm with desired toppings. Pancake variations. 1. Buttermilk. In step 1, add 1/2 teaspoon baking soda to dry mixture. In step 2, replace the milk with low-fat buttermilk. 2. Yogurt. In step 1, add 1/2 teaspoon baking soda to dry mixture. In step 2, replace the milk with 2/3 cup plain low-fat yogurt and 1/3 cup milk. 3. Whole grain with yogurt. In step 1, replace the all-purpose flour with 1/2 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 cup each cornmeal and wheat germ, and 1/2 teaspoon baking soda. In step 2, replace the milk with 2/3 cup plain low-fat yogurt and 1/3 cup milk. How to store leftover pancakes and batter. 1. To store pancake batter. If you have leftover pancake batter that you will use within 1 day, keep the batter in the mixing bowl or measuring cup you mixed it in, cover it with plastic wrap, and store it in the refrigerator. If you won't be using the batter within a day, cook the rest of the pancakes and store them to reheat another time. 2. To store leftover pancakes. Leftover pancakes freeze well. Be sure to let them cool completely before refrigerating or freezing. We recommend storing leftover pancakes in the refrigerator if you will eat them within a few days. For longer storage, freeze them. Whether you are refrigerating or freezing, keep them in a zip-top freezer bag, separating them with wax or parchment paper so they don't stick. Make sure all the air is removed from the freezer bag. How to reheat pancakes. 1. Reheating in the oven. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Place pancakes on a rimmed sheet pan and warm through. This will take between 6 and 10 minutes if you are starting with frozen pancakes. Leftover pancakes from the refrigerator need less time. 2. Reheating in the toaster. Place 1 pancake in each slot of the toaster and set it to a medium toast level. If the pancakes aren't warmed sufficiently, toast them again at a lower setting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.